Let me clean my lens here because yesterday I was recording a video and everything's all blurry. I don't know if it's from the lens or just the camera went out of focus and never could get focused back then. Okay, anyway, this is I'm trying to think who made this car. Was it Menerin? He made a replica of this Toyota Sprinter Trueno. I think that's also called an A86. I'm not sure. I'm not too entirely sure, but it's a replica. And let's just take a look at it. I'm not sure if can't remember if all the fixtures imported over, but yeah, I guess that's what it looks like. You know, a good looking car of the era. Apex twin cam 16. Wow, they actually make the exhaust that goes like that. I don't know if it's a mod or that's something they've done new to the game. I don't know. It's interesting. Okay. So let's get to the actual build of it. This could be a replica or a resto mod, I don't know. Corrosion resistant steel, monocoque, corrosion resistant steel, front longitudinal, McPherson strut front, salt axle cool in the rear, cool, and +7 quality for some reason. Well, Toyota's always had good quality. Nothing beats Toyota on reliability. Inline 4 cast iron block with an aluminium head. Dual overhead cam, 4 valves per cylinder. It's a 1.6 liter with 1,587 cc's. 3.19 inches on the bore and 3.031 inches on the stroke. So that's probably pretty close. I don't know. I never did look this up. 128 horsepower with 108 foot-pound torque. Got forged steel crank, lightweight forged connecting rods, forged pistons. Engine reliability is 57.4 months. 9.4 to 1 compression ratio, 72 cam profile, -2 on that. Naturally aspirated. Multi-port fuel injection, single configuration, performance intake, regular octane, 13.3 on a fuel mixture, 73 on instant timing, +5 quality on that, 7,500 RPM rev limiter. Long tubular headers, single exhaust, 2.5 inches on exhaust diameter, 3-way catalytic converter, reverse flow on a second muffler with +6 quality. Let's listen to it. I don't want to listen to it inline 4, but let's listen to it anyway. Well, actually, that's not bad. I don't think. Let's check out these colors. You got like plastic and these two like metallic grays. It's interesting. Is that metallic gray? It looks like it. Hold on a second. Yeah, I see some sparkles in that. Oh, we're forgetting something here. It's rear-wheel drive, manual 5-speed. It's a 0 to 62 in 8.5 seconds. Geared LSD. He's got set up for a 521 rear end gear, but I don't know what exactly it is anyway. +2 quality on that. You get 16.5 miles per gallon. Medium compound tires. 185/70 13s. Steel rims. Vented 1 disc. Vented 1 piston. On the front. Solid one piston in the back, 10 inches front and rear, 45 pad type. Got just the slightest bit of brake fade. They probably didn't have any at all, but now it's like 0.1 because the game is, I think it's constantly updated. Whatever. No under tray. He's got front wing of 39, rear wing angle of 50, cooling airflow 55, brake airflow 20. Probably reasons why he did all that, I just don't know what they are. Two-seater in the front, I guess it's got like two seaters without headrest on the back. Sport interior, a standard 8-track plus 1 quality on that. Variable hydraulic power steering with no traction aids. Standard 70s safety. No traction aids, but it does have HIV. Lord forgive me for that little joke. Progressive gas model 2 passive. So we're going to throw it in Beam Engineer. And while I'm throwing it in there, I'm going to give you the score of this car. Features, it's a little out of date. It has really out of date. It's got an 8-track player, so I give it a 3 out of 10. Acceleration, I give it a 3 out of 10. It's pretty good back then, but not by today's standards. Safety is not good by today's standard receiver. It's a 3 out of 10. Economy, also a 3 out of 10. Engine warranty, I give it a 5 out of 10. Middle of the road. Practicality, give it a 2 out of 10. Trim or bumper to bumper warranty, give it a 7 out of 10. Pretty good. Value is really good. I give you a 9 out of 10. Don't really show the prices of anything anymore because I think the prices, the way they update the game now, is way too expensive. I just don't think that's right, and I'm going to record a video of me complaining about it and show it to Rob, one of the developers there. Importance is a 2 out of 10. Yeah, I know this car's iconic, but it being mass produced and only can go up to like I think 105 or something, like 115 miles per hour, I give it a 2 out of 10. Fun factor, pretty fun to drive. Give it an 8 out of 10. And the total score is 45 out of 100, which places it right here, 21st out of 28 cars. Between the 2020 e-autos Das Affordable, 48 points, and above the 1972 Monte Carlo Chevrolet.